Hey, welcome to the 3131 challenge. Today the first video is organizing the shed with some hangers for my yard tools. I'm going to put the hanger on this stud right here. So the first thing I want to do is hold some of the tools up, see how far I want to put the hanger on the wall. I'll put the tools that I don't use as frequently toward the back, and the ones I use regularly forward. So I start by making a template with a piece of cardboard, again holding the tools up, seeing where the hanger needs to actually be. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to transfer the dips onto a piece of cardboard, and that I'll use as my template so everything looks pretty uniform. Using cardboard as templates has always worked out well for me. This way I can eliminate the chance of making mistakes with the final project. So after I draw everything with the pencil, I go back over it with a marker, and then I do one last test fit to make sure it looks good on the wall. Now I'll cut the template out and use that to trace onto my wood. I was lucky I had this piece of plywood laying around my shop, and it was 3/4, so it should hold the weight of all the tools that I put on it. After I cut it out with the circular saw, I'll just go around it with the jigsaw, making a really rough cut, which I'll clean up later on the sander. Whenever you have two exact pieces that you want to match up nicely, what I like to use is carpet tape to put them together while I sand them. The carpet tape usually holds up pretty well. Sometimes I'll tack 1 or 2 18 gauge nails just to make sure, and then I can easily split it apart after. Once I finished sanding the flat sides, I switched over to a round belt and finished sanding all the grooves. This oscillating sander makes quick work of the wood. Again, once the project is done, you just pry it apart, remove the carpet tape. Here I'm tracing the template, and I will make this template available for a free download, so just click the link below. You will have to print it on 11 by 17 paper, but most libraries should be able to do that. Now here I'm just making sure that I can get the height right before I tack it in. What I really like is the fact that I've got this cordless nail gun now. I can just throw a couple tacks in, make sure it's right, and then go back and put some screws in to secure it permanently. Well, that was it for this build. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to download the free pattern. If you like what you see, don't forget to come back tomorrow because I will be posting another video and another free pattern. Thanks a lot, and talk to you soon.